In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use localization, time zones, and date logic in Airtable. We'll walk through setting up a date field so your team sees consistent, accurate information no matter where they're working from. First, open Airtable and head to the base where you want to track dates. Once you're in the table, look for the plus sign at the far right of your columns to add a new field. This is where we'll define exactly how Airtable should store and display your dates. Give the new field a clear name like date so it's easy to recognize in views, filters, and automations. Set the field type to date. Immediately after choosing date, you'll see options that control localization and time behavior. Pick a date format that matches your audience. For teams in the United States, MMDDYY is familiar. For many other regions, DDMMYY avoids confusion. If your workflows include exports or integrations, consider an ISO style format like YMMDD to keep things unambiguous across systems. If you need hours and minutes, turn on include time. This is essential for scheduling, deadlines, and automation triggers. When time is enabled, choose whether to display a 12-hour or 24-hour clock based on team preference and consistency with other tools. Keeping this choice consistent across your bases prevents misreads. Next, decide how the time zone should be displayed. If you opt to display a single shared time zone, every collaborator will see the same exact instant, which is great for cross-regional teams and reduces confusion around daylight saving changes. If you leave it in each user's local time, people will see times adjusted to their own location, which can be helpful for personal scheduling, but may produce different on-screen values across collaborators. Choose the option that best supports your workflows, meetings, and automations. When your choices look right, click. Create to add the field to your table. Now, set a value. Click into any row under your new date field and use the picker to choose a date. If you enabled time, select the time as well. Aim for consistent increments like on the hour or half hour so sorting and grouping behave predictably. After saving, confirm the displayed format and time zone match your expectations. With that, you've configured a date field that respects localization, handles time precisely, and displays the right time zone for your team. You can always revisit the field settings to adjust format, time inclusion, or time zone display without losing underlying data. This foundation makes your filters, views, and automations more reliable and prevents misunderstandings across regions.